It's been great to find the partnership and great allies of NTCA and their team. It kind of started on award day when Bart and I were talking before I even had the trophy in my hand, so to speak. We were brainstorming about what's next for our industry, and it started a whole cyclone of things to happen, which is it was so inspiring. From working with Joshua Nordstrom and collaborating on the Coverings 2020, and we know how that went. But also, we're going to work on we're going to do some training at our shop. We're also, we started a Facebook page for inspiration, because that's the word of the day, I'm telling you. We're also going to be doing the Coverings 2021, and Joshua and I are working on what that's going to look like. We just have so many things that have been spawned from this award. Winning the NTCA's Tile Craftsperson of the Year award, and what it's meant. Quite the honor for a Wisconsin guy just out there doing his thing. I'm no different than many of you. There's people like me all over this country. And probably just as deserving. And I encourage all of you to don't discount yourself. You might just be the next.